Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Ride and Custom. Happy Sunday, happy Memorial Day weekend. We're doing a thing. As you can see, we got all kinds of crap out here. It's getting interesting. What we're gonna be doing is finishing this. Paint booth time, guys. We got 3 of the 4 walls up. We got the roof supports up, plastic on the walls. We're getting ready to put this beam up right here. It'll be the front, and there'll be garage doors. Now this booth is gonna be pretty wild. So this is gonna be a door. We're gonna make a door for here so we can go in and out, which will lead us critically to the beer fridge and to where we're gonna mix the paint. So those are very important things. Also, we're gonna drape plastic, this plastic, across the top, and we're gonna put plastic on the floor. So this will be a complete plastic bubble. I still have some of this lighting that I'm gonna run in here to brighten it up. We've got some other lights we're gonna put up as well. There is a, you probably hear Ron cutting right now. There's an exhaust fan mounted on the other side of this. So we're gonna cut a hole here, and there's a 12-inch concrete form tube we're gonna put in there, and that's gonna be our exhaust right out the side door. I'll show you that here. See the exhaust fan mounted on the door? It's gonna go straight across. So we got that going. Then once all that's done and the electric's figured out and all the things and how to get the hose in here, probably cut a hole here with a hole saw and drag the hose into here. Then we're gonna put 2 basically sheets of plywood here that are gonna be doors, like barn door kind of things. Not barn door, but swing open, you know. So we'll be able to, even with the garage door open, we'll still be able to have this sealed, which would be kind of cool. So, and if you're wondering what the hell we're doing all this for, it's so we can paint this car this week. So good news is, barring things go correctly today, which I think they probably will, we're not gonna put that negative juju out there. We should be painting the back side of the hood and the back side of the trunk lid tomorrow at some point on Monday. And if that goes well, that's gonna be our test run to make sure the guns work, that the paint does what it's supposed to, and nothing stupid's happening, that the air works, that the compressor works good, that our exhaust is working good. That way we can make any last minute critiques and adjustments to this if we need to, right? Tuesday, we're hoping to paint this. Paint the body, just as you see it. No trunk lid, no doors, no fenders, none of that. Just paint this. Now to do that, there's a lot of work still. We got to tape a bunch of stuff off. The windows, you know, wheel wells, finish those off. Really just button this up so we can paint it. But this will be getting painted Tuesday. And if that happens, then Wednesday, we'll paint the top side of the trunk lid, and we'll paint the 2 doors and maybe something else, depending how it goes. But as you can see, spatially, we're constricted a little bit, right? We are 14 feet wide, 18 feet long, 83.5 inches tall, okay? That's where we're at. So we gotta be smart. Like when we paint the body of the car, we're gonna bring it in and we're basically gonna set it on the drums, on the as low as we can get it, so that he has plenty of room up here, roof clearance to paint the roof. Because if you look at it, it kind of does this, right? Like the front won't be too bad, it slopes down. The back won't be too bad, but right here, you know, could be a thing. Now what we do have is plenty of room side to side, front to back, which is great. It's just a little bit of a height thing, and it's really not bad. I think he's probably got a couple feet at least. Plenty of room to, once this goes down, to do what he needs to do. So yeah, and then the rest of the week we're painting parts, guys. Fenders, hood, grill, headlight rings, all the shit. There's tons of stuff. The prop rod for the trunk, everything. So Lots of things happening this week, so stay tuned for all of this. But today we're going to finish this paint booth. I'll be posting pictures and shorts and all that, both on TikTok and on YouTube. So stay tuned for all that if you're curious in this. And I am doing a how-to, step-by-step on how to build a paint booth inside of your garage. Okay, going over what it cost, how we did it, what we used, all the things, measurements, blah, blah, blah. That way, if you guys need to paint your car and can't afford a $20,000 paint job and want to paint it yourself, well, this is how you do it, right? And I can't guarantee that this is going to be any better or worse than anything else, but I do know that being in a plastic box like this with the roof and the floor and everything sealed as much as possible, it should contain a lot of the dust. We should be pretty good there. So we'll see how that goes, baby steps. But that's what we're doing, getting ready to paint this monster. We got everything everywhere. So today, finish paint booth. Tomorrow, paint the back side of the hood and the trunk lid, test everything out, test the booth. If that goes well, then Tuesday we paint the body. We're going gloss black. It's going to go a really deep black, base coat, clear coat. We're using Shopline Plus. BMW Jet Black 2 is the paint. And then the clear is a real deep, wet, gloss European clear. So it should look like all the time like it's wet, like you just washed it. So that should be interesting. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to get on it. We got construction happening over here, all kinds of things. Big Ron, I think, is messing with the tube. He's back in the hole here. He's cutting the hole because this is going to be our ventilation for the exhaust. Satcrete 12-inch form tube. Doop. It's perfect. Fits right into the exhaust fan. He's marking a hole there. He's going to cut out with a jigsaw, and then we'll have the exhaust set up in here. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all of you. Happy Memorial Day, and we will we'll see you soon.